What's up, everyone? Today we're looking at one of the most anticipated premium headphone releases in recent memory, the Sony WH-1000XM6. Sony has been leading the noise-canceling headphone space for years, and every new generation raises the question, how much better can it actually get? At first glance, the WH-1000XM6 feels familiar, and that's intentional. Sony hasn't gone for a dramatic redesign. Instead, it focuses on refinement. The build feels premium, the finish is clean, and everything about it gives off a polished, high-end feel without trying too hard. Comfort is immediately noticeable. The ear cups are soft and deep enough to create a good seal, while the headband spreads pressure evenly across the top of your head. This is the kind of design you can wear for hours, whether you're working, traveling, or just zoning out with music. Now the standout feature, noise cancellation. Sony equips the WH-1000XM6 with its upgraded HD Noise Canceling Processor QN3, combined with a 12-microphone system designed to capture and analyze your environment in real time. The result in real-world use is impressive. Background noise fades out smoothly. Busy streets feel calmer. Office chatter becomes distant. Even airplane engines lose their intensity. Instead of feeling blocked off, the silence feels more natural and adaptive. That's where Sony's adaptive noise canceling optimizer comes in. It constantly adjusts based on your surroundings and even how you're wearing the headphones. Whether you're sitting still, walking, or commuting, the system fine-tunes itself automatically for consistent performance. But noise cancellation alone doesn't define a great headphone. Sound quality matters just as much, and Sony continues to deliver a well-balanced tuning here. The WH-1000XM6 produces a clean and controlled sound signature. Bass is present but not overpowering. Mids are clear, making vocals sound natural and detailed. Highs are crisp without being sharp or fatiguing. The overall result is a sound profile that works well across almost every genre. Whether you're listening to hip-hop, pop, rock, EDM, classical, or podcasts, the experience stays consistent and enjoyable. That versatility is one of the strongest points of this headphone. If you want more control, Sony's companion app gives you full EQ customization. You can adjust the sound to your liking, boost bass, flatten the response, or create your own personalized tuning. Call quality has also improved noticeably. With multiple microphones and enhanced voice processing, your voice stays clear even in noisy environments. That makes these headphones just as useful for meetings and calls as they are for music. Battery life is another strong win. Sony claims up to 30 hours of playback, and in typical real-world usage, that number holds up well. For most users, that means multiple days of use before needing to recharge. And when you do need power, fast charging helps a lot. A short charge can give you several hours of playback, which is perfect when you're in a hurry. The touch controls remain one of the more convenient aspects of the design. Simple gestures allow you to change volume, skip tracks, answer calls, and activate voice assistants without reaching for your phone. After a short learning period, it becomes second nature. Transparency mode is also well implemented. When activated, it lets outside sound in naturally, so you can have conversations or stay aware of your surroundings without removing the headphones. Connectivity is smooth and reliable. Pairing is quick, switching between devices is easy, and Bluetooth performance stays stable across phones, laptops, and tablets. It's built for modern multi-device usage without frustration. When you combine everything, the WH-1000XM6 feels like a complete package. It's not just about one standout feature, it's about consistency across the board. Noise cancellation, sound quality, comfort, battery life, and usability all come together in a balanced way. Instead of trying to reinvent the category, Sony continues refining it, and that's exactly why these headphones stay at the top. So who are these for? If you travel often, work in noisy environments, study in public spaces, or just want a premium listening experience with minimal distractions, this is one of the strongest options available right now. At the end of the day, The WH-1000XM6 continues Sony's legacy of leading the noise-canceling headphone market by focusing on what actually matters in daily use. Hi guys, if you want to buy the Sony WH-1000XM6, the best noise-canceling wireless headphones, HD NC processor QN3, 12 microphones, adaptive NC optimizer, mastered by engineers, studio quality, 30-hour battery, black, then please visit the link provided in the description.